What's up, everybody? Johnny Mags from Johnny Mags Barbecue here. Today, we're going to do something a little bit special. So I was talking to my dad, and we got on the topic of Elvis Presley. And I'm a huge fan, because of my dad. And so what the hell does Elvis Presley have to do with my channel and my cooking? Today, we are going to make Elvis's favorite sandwich. What is that, you ask? It is the fried peanut butter and banana sandwich. I'm going to add a little twist to it, and I'm going to add a little bacon. So kick on back, relax, and enjoy. We're going to do the fried peanut butter, banana, and bacon sandwich. Elvis Presley's all-time favorite. Bring you right back. All right, guys, let's put this sandwich together. What we can see here is we have our bacon. We have our sliced bananas, a couple pieces of bread, and some good old peanut butter. So what we're going to do is we're going to peanut butter both sides of the bread. I like a lot of peanut butter. We're going to get this nice and gooey, really good late night snack, how Elvis used to like to have them. Per information from his personal cook, Miss Mary Jenkins. So, a lot of peanut butter. Get a little weight to this sandwich. Then all we're going to do is line up the bananas. Get a couple more of these in here. Then we're going to come in with the bacon. Good bacon. And there we go. So we're going to go fire up the Blackstone. We're going to get this bad boy on. So far, so good. And throw it on the Blackstone. We'll bring it on back. All right, guys. Change of plans. I'm a dumbass, and I ran out of propane for the Blackstone. So we're doing this old school. So we broke out the cast iron, rendered down some bacon fat I had left over. So we're going to throw this bad boy right in there. Let that fry up. And we'll bring you back when we're ready to flip. All right, guys, it's been a couple minutes, and we're ready to flip this sandwich. So we added a little bit more bacon fat. You want to make this nice and rich. That's the way the king would have loved it. Oh, look at that golden brown. That bubbling, getting that nice fry to it. So we're going to let this go another couple minutes. Then we'll bring you back for the old cut and taste test. All right, folks. There we go. It looks delicious. Get the cast iron off. So let's give this thing a cut and see what we got here. Beautiful crunch to it, by the sounds of it anyway. Ho, 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 ho. That peanut butter just oozing the hell out of there, nice and hot. Got the bacon. So, there's only one thing left to do, folks. Go in for the old taste test. This probably gonna burn, but I don't care. It's worth it. It's for the king. So, here we go. Oh my God. No wonder he loved it. That richness from the peanut butter, the sweetness of the banana, the savoriness of the bacon. This is one hell of a sandwich, folks. But the only thing I have to say is Elvis has left the building. This is TCB in a flash, taking care of business in a flash, baby. The way the king would do it. So, give it a shot, folks. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. Till next time, keep the smoke rolling.